स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. In order to secure the due repayment of the amounts under and in respect of the debentures, the corporate debtor executed the guarantee agreement dated 26/9/2016 in favor of the debenture trustee. Stop. The corporate debtor wide indenture of mortgage dated 27/6/2016 created mortgage of its development rights in the project property in favor of the debenture trustee to secure the said debentures. Stop. The shares of the corporate debtor were also pledged in favor of the debenture trustee. Wide agreement of pledge of shares dated 26/7/2016 in order to secure repayment of the said debentures in accordance with the terms of the debenture trust deed. Stop. Para. On 30/9/2019, an assignment agreement was executed by ECL Finance Limited in favor of the applicant for assignment of debt with respect to the debentures along with all securities or documents executed in respect thereof. Stop. The debenture trustee also issued notice for invocation of guarantee dated 24/2020 to call upon the corporate debtor and the corporate guarantor numbers 1 to 7 to pay the debenture trustee the total outstanding amount together with the further interest at the contractual rate with all other costs, penal interest, charges and incidental expenses due to and payable under the debenture trust deed and other debenture documents. Stop. Para. The corporate debtor has filed its affidavit in reply and submits as under : the guarantee agreement dated 26/7/2016 executed by and between the corporate debtor and IDBI Trusteeship Services Limited. Stop. As per clause 2 and clause 7 of the said guarantee agreement, it is the debenture trustee who shall have the power to enforce the outstanding amounts in terms of the debenture documents or any part thereof or interest or other monies due to the debenture trustee from the principal borrower. Stop. There does not exist a legal assignment of the powers of the debenture trustee as stated under the said guarantee. Stop. The assignment agreement is executed between ECL Finance Limited and the financial creditor. Stop. ECL Finance Limited is not a party to the said guarantee and in view thereof, could not have been assigned the rights and powers of the rights and powers of the debenture trustee under the assignment agreement. Stop. Para. The financial creditor has neither produced any documentary evidence recording the date of default nor explained in its affidavit is support of the said petition as to how the financial creditor arrived and mentioned the said date of default. Stop. The financial creditor claiming to act in its capacity as a trustee of EARC Trust SC 392 has failed to annex any such authority / copy of the board resolution passed by the Board of Trustees of EARC Trust SC 392, thereby authorizing, permitting acquisition of the non-performing asset wide assignment agreement dated 30/9/2019. Stop. The financial creditor has miserably failed to annex any such documentary evidence whereby the ERC Trust SC 392 has approved the assignment agreement prior to its execution. Stop para. The financial creditor has failed to produce following documents: the debenture subscription agreement executed by and between the financial creditor and or the debenture holder and the corporate debtor, proving that the debentures have been issued in the name of the debenture holder and or the debenture holder, letter of allotment indicating the allotment of debentures issued to debenture holders as contemplated under clause number 5 of disclosure documents dated 1/7/2016. Stop over.
तो दोस्तों ये डिक्टेशन आज की हो गई है, और जिस किसी को भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चाहिए हैं ऑडियो और पीडीएफ के साथ, वो पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर सकता है। अबाउट सेक्शन में जाकर यूट्यूब के अबाउट सेक्शन में नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बताकर आप डिक्टेशंस और पीडीएफ ले सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।